whatever day you're watching this. For me, it's Saturday, and this is the day where I go around the apartment and we get some stuff in shape. I call it my apartment therapy series on the channel. To get into this vlog session today, we have some stuff to do. We're gonna finish up some DIY projects that I've been doing in the dining room, which currently I'm in the living room. It's coming together slowly. There's still some stuff I want to do here, but last video that I made was a vlog in my dining space and where I moved these. They're actually rubber crown molding, and I have some ideas of what I want to fill in there as like a little art piece on this wall, but that's coming later. Right now, I just want to finish up that dining space so we can finally move on to a different project in this apartment. But first, I wanted to give a shout out to this shirt. I thrifted this years ago and I put together that these are different animes, but I don't know which one they are. If anyone knows these, could you write them down in the comment thread? Like, that would help me out a ton. I'm pretty sure this is like the Let It Rip guy. Maybe. Okay, someone let me know. You guys, if I had a superpower, it would just be to command Z situations in my actual life. If you're a web designer, graphic designer, anything on the computer, you probably know that shortcut, which is just to undo something. But so many times I could have used it in projects in this house where I had an idea, I implement it, I do it, and it's not what I thought it was in my head. This is where I currently am in the dining space. From that previous apartment therapy vlog, I did go ahead and then add in this entire gallery wall and got some new curtains. So it's coming along and I'm like so excited of how it's turning out. Here's that new rug.
Bruh.
The chandelier, I did clean it up a little bit more so it has some cleaner lines, not as jagged as it was before. But what we need to do today to finally kind of top off, finish this room, I really want to put in some more like family photos and some cool stuff in here, which eventually over time, like you can switch it out in seasons if I make some more art. This gallery wall can be interchanged throughout our stay here. And then here on the dining room table, I have an idea for a centerpiece. So I'm gonna put that together today. For the centerpiece, I'm gonna have to go out and get some supplies. Voila! This actually turned out kind of cool. So this might just be a temporary solution for now, but I thought, why not just organically put some sticks in a vase? And maybe in the future we could paint them. I could put little like ornaments or decorations on them throughout the year. This might change. Also, I could just go get some flowers and stuff too. But for now, I kind of like the drama. I also sprayed them with a ton of bleach because I saw a spider crawling on them when I brought them in the house and it freaks me out. So yeah, also be careful of bugs from bringing things from outside indoors. I'm just gonna go to the print shop right now and print some really nice photos to put in these frames so they're not blank anymore. That was a success. I was able to print all of the images and it was like only 10 bucks. So I'm actually gonna stop in a thrift store because every time I go outside, I just wanna go into a thrift store and I know a really cool one around the corner. So I'm gonna go check it out. Racking up a bunch of stuff, but the sweetest little lady came and was like, saw me carrying all this stuff in my hands. She was like, oh, should I bring you a basket? And she brought me a basket to put my things in. She's so sweet. Okay, and we're back home. Okay, I couldn't help myself. Of course, when I see a thrift store, I have to go in and I always come out with something. But luckily, okay, we got all the photos that I need. Other than that, I did find this really beautiful planter. So, found this one. I just was attracted to all the plants. And then I also found this nice tray. I'm gonna start putting the photos in the frames. It really touches my heart to see these photos in my hand and not just on my phone. Because I know like a lot of you have so many great memories on your phone. To physically see it in your space and be like, yeah, it's just really beautiful. Something kind of creepy, when I first moved into this apartment, in one of the cabinets in the living room, there was just a bag full of these frames. And within the frames, there were some kind of like weirder art styles. I replaced it with some of my photos, but like the name on some of the back of these cards, this one says Mother Winter Death Song, and it was from 2007. So there is some old art, and it's kind of eerie. And there we go, it's all framed. I'm gonna end the video here today. It's been a long day already. I appreciate you watching. If you stayed this long, you're awesome. If they do want to support the channel, just like and subscribe or comment down below. It's really appreciated. I hope you have an amazing day. Until next time, we're gonna tackle the hallway. So I'll see you then. Bye.